As the returning officer for the district of Northeast Kabul, I hereby confirm that the number of votes cast in the election are as follows. Ahmed Khan.
Official Warlord Party.
4,321. Rashid Ismail.
Save the Warlord Party.
321. Nasir Alam.
Opium Barons for Peace.
3,872. Anwar Hafiz.
Hardly independent American puppet.
1,423,701. Rasul Khalil.
Monster Raving Loony Warlord Party.
23. I hereby declare Anwar Hafiz the duly elected member for Northeast Kabul.
Wait, just a moment. I think we're going to have a recount.